Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can private all your videos on TikTok account. You can private all your videos in a single click on your TikTok account. For that, just open your TikTok app on your mobile phone, go to your profile. And now at the profile at the top right side, click on these three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and here you can see an option called activity center. Click on this. Now again scroll down and here below you can see the option called manage post visibility. Click on this. Now here is all your videos are post on TikTok. So you just have to just click and select all your videos that you want to private. Here you can see all videos are here. Here in all of you just have to select all videos. When you select all videos, click on this next option. And now here you can see there are three options. Everyone, friend, only you. So just click on this only you and click on update. All your videos will be private. So this is the way how you can private all your videos in a single click.